Yo, what's up, everyone? TikTokers, if you haven't seen this, please go check it out. It's called Chatgpt. It's a software bot. What it does. For example, if I want to say like, what, eh, what are some, let me say like examples of good businesses, good businesses, and you send it, it will give you answers exactly. If you want to write an essay, you can well use this bot. It's a software bot called ChatGPT. It is for free of charge. Look at what it does. It can write good essays. You can ask anything. Even if you're asking for code, programming codes, this bot can literally do anything. This is where we are rich, guys, and this is a good bot. This is a good software. I like it. I like it. I like it. For example, if I want to say like uh, Python code, Python Python code for calculator.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god,
this is what it does.
oh my god, oh my god.
This is what it does. This is what it does.
I'm a blessing.
Is an example of a code that you can do. It simply gives you a code, Python code, which you just have to copy, and these codes run automatically. When you put them into a computer, they run automatically. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. It's called ChatGPT. As simple as this. You can just ask any question, it gives an answer automatically. It gives an answer to you. Even if you want to ask anything, like anything. This is a code for making a calculator right here. And it's done. The code creates 4 functions: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Simple as that.